It is often said that blockchain technology is going to change the world. There are a lot of innovations that can take place in this technology, and it is important to understand what it is. We will cover the basics of blockchain and how it will change the world. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions. The ledger can be programmed to record not just financial transactions, but virtually everything of value. It is a way of storing and accessing data across a distributed, decentralized network. The technology is based on cryptography, a method of securely transmitting information while making it hard to break. Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger that is managed by a peer-to-peer network, collectively adhering to a protocol for validating new blocks. Blockchain is the underlying technology that Bitcoin uses to keep transactions secure and track the movement of money. It's also the underlying technology that companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are using to track the movement of money through their systems. Bitcoin and blockchain technology are not the same. Blockchain technology is a decentralized and distributed ledger that provides a way to transfer assets across a network. Blockchain technology has the potential to be a game changer in the world of business, and it will have a profound effect on everything from finance, to healthcare, to government. Blockchain technology can also help solve a number of environmental problems. Blockchain Technology Partners is a venture-funded startup that is building enterprise software on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. BTP was founded in 2014 by a team of experienced entrepreneurs and technologists who are passionate about the potential of blockchain technology to revolutionize the way businesses operate. BTP's mission is to help enterprises unlock the full potential of blockchain technology. BTP's products are designed to make it easy for businesses to use blockchain technology to create new applications and to streamline existing business processes. BTP's products are built on top of the open-source Bitcoin blockchain and are compatible with the Bitcoin protocol. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that has a wide range of potential applications. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that can change the world. It's the technology that will change how we shop, how we invest, how we learn, how we work, and how we live. Blockchain is the technology that will provide a secure and trustworthy way for people to exchange information and assets. It's the technology that will allow people to use digital currency to buy and sell anything. The blockchain is a decentralized public ledger that records every transaction and stores it in a way that is resistant to change. Do you like this video? Submit your feedback in our comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Facebook and Instagram for more videos.